Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to safely clean your C drive in Windows 10 and 11, which helps you improve your performance and free up valuable space on your drive. Let's get started. First, we're going to use the built-in Disk Cleanup tool. From the taskbar search, type Disk Cleanup and hit Enter. Choose your C drive from the drop-down menu and click on OK. The disk cleanup will take a moment to calculate how much space you can free up. And just select everything. Click OK, then delete files to confirm. Next, let's clean out those temporary files directory. From the taskbar, right-click on the Windows icon and select Run. Type $temp and hit Enter. This will open the temp folder. Select all the files by pressing Ctrl A, then press Shift Delete to permanently delete them. Now some files may be in use, you can skip those for now. Another powerful tool is the Storage Sense. From the taskbar, right-click on the Windows icon and select Settings. Click on the system from the left, then Storage. Toggle on Storage Sense and click on it. Here, you can select how often you want to run it. If you want to run it right now, click on Run Storage Sense now. Uninstalling apps you no longer use is another effective way to free up space and improve performance. Go to Settings, then Apps and Features. Here, just go through the list and identify any apps you don't need anymore. If you find any, click on the three dots next to the app and select Uninstall. Now for more advanced cleaning, consider a third-party tool like CCleaner, which is a great free tool that cleans out junk files and even does registry cleaning. Open your browser and let's search for CCleaner. Go to the official website and download it from there and install it. Once installed, open CCleaner, select the type of files you want to clean, click Analyze to see potential space saving, and then click on Run Cleaner to delete the files. Alright, those were some of the ways to safely clean your C drive in Windows 10 and 11. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.